Hey everybody, welcome back to the Stone House. It's been a while since we've uploaded a video. It takes me a long time to get enough footage to put out a video that I think is probably worth watching. And that's important because, I am making these videos for myself to watch in the future, and I don't really want to watch a boring video. So I, I feel like I have enough for a video here. Sarah really got motivated to get some rock wool insulation up in the walls, and it was really nice to see that go in.
Yeah.
Changes the look of the walls quite a bit. And I think it did help motivate me to start doing the sheetrock and the ceiling, as you'll see soon.
We found that old house, just a shell of its past, a dream in the dust, but hope anchored fast. The kids played outside while we worked night and day.
All the insulation done, even up in here, which was rather difficult because there wasn't exactly room, but I felt like I needed to insulate it because there was enough room to do half pieces. I just cut them all the way around. Looks so good. We did the bathroom. Wanted to have soundproofing for the bathroom wall. And that was definitely the hardest part because of all the plumbing that was in the wall.
On to random job number 2, Sarah started to, I think, clean this door. And then one thing led to another, and, well, you see what happened.
Each nail and each beam, we laughed the cares away. Brick by brick, we built our dreams one day at a time. This house is our heart, for every laugh that goes, a fortress of love in the warmth that glows.
Hello, hanging sheetrock. Looks good, right? Well, my walls, I think when I measure, things are perfect, things are good, and then I go to put it up and I'm having to adjust, but that's okay. I think that's how sheetrock is. I think you're supposed to get frustrated. If you're not getting frustrated with hanging sheetrock, well then you're not doing it right.
Reflects the bond we've defined, a home for our children, together intertwined. Of sweat, but love kept us strong. A canvas of memories where we all belong. The walls have our stories, each room has a tale, a sanctuary growing. Our love will prevail.
Only a little bit.
Yeah, a little bit more. Let it down.
Okay.
I don't know where the screw can go. That screw fell. It is hitting. I think it is hitting this pike. You can see the normal bit is right there. And you put the screw on there. And then you don't have to be careful anymore. Once you get started, you just go. The problem with that is, even though it's made for sheetrock screws, it just spins, and that bit in no time is already worn away. But they're free, you don't expect. So then I paid $11 for this one. This is real special. This has got like a little collar. Let's go. Oh, look at that. Didn't even do it. Didn't even work. That was $11. And that is its only purpose. And then what I like is just the hardest in the world way to do it. But you just have to feel it. And then it's perfect. So that's why I shouldn't buy $11 bits probably. It's going to be moments like that, looking back when I watch these 40 years from now, if I'm still lucky enough to be here. It's moments like that. So I'm doing these videos. Well, all of the sheetrock, as far as the slant goes for the main bedroom, is done. Hung. No crazy surprises. Other than when I studded the ceiling over here, I did not do 16. I must have knew that. I just forgot. So some of these pieces had to be cut, and I'm going to have one hard joint to finish right here. Kind of sucks, but we'll get through. And if it looks bad, we'll just put wood on the ceiling. Cover it right over. But that's it for now. Just wanted to get that done today. We've got a couple more sheets to go as far as the bathroom walls here on the outside, and then the purple stuff on that slant on the inside of the bathroom. We'll be doing that tomorrow on Labor Day. So something you might not know is that when Sarah gets kind of nervous, she usually plays with the tip of her nose. Did you guys know that? You didn't know that? Okay, let's watch this video together. Come here. She does it when she's nervous, but she also does it when she's thinking. But it's cute.
Our plan is to do sheetrock, then wood
Watch.
for bathroom privacy.
It's so loud.
Well, sound, and
She's thinking.
moisture and all that. But we're gonna
Watch.
sheetrock the inside also. So that, you don't hear the rushing of water in the shower and stuff like that.
Fart noises.
Yeah.
Did you just touches her nose again?
It's just issy. It's just
She just does it when she's thinking really
just
hard.
issy. I go like that. I go like this.
Listen, in college, when she was taking her tests, she would always touch the tip of her nose, and she always said that it would make her
We're
remember.
just trying to see how easy this is going to go for me. I'm just going to make a line now to see,
Watch.
where that piece of wood is.
I have to keep hanging. I have to keep pushing up as I'm walking, and I'm stretching. And then it gets so heavy because the board's heavy. See how far it goes? And I'm pushing and pushing and pushing. Some of you are going to remember this when we did this with the stairs upstairs, the ceiling upstairs. I'll show you that right now. And then we did work on this. Whoa, nice dance moves. We did work on this a little bit more off camera. And so you're also going to see that right now. All right. I decorated for the video. There's that ceiling that most of you will remember. So going into our bedroom here, well, let me turn some lights on. Oh, geez, it's so bright. Okay, you can see this. See this ceiling here? That's the same ceiling as there. But you can see I was smart and I put a light here. Well, I didn't put a light on this side. Well, you can see one now because we ended up wanting to do one after. The light needed to be there. We didn't have a light here. The closest light was here. So it just made this shadow city. Sarah requested this. She put in a change order, work change order with management, and they made me do it. But yeah, and then obviously you can see the ceiling. Looks cool, right? You walk in, all that lumber here. Very pretty stuff. Very nice. It's just a pain to work with. Seems like we are constantly having to make sure that we're straight here, which is very important because when the door's open and you're looking in the room, you see the straight lines here with the floor and you see the straight lines here. And I got off back in here and there was a hump, and holy, make my eye twitch. But we've made it through the hard part. We've gotten around the lights, smoke detector, and then you can see this weird little section here. And what this is going to be is, well, we don't have enough of this wood to go all the way over. We just don't. And what we did is we used some leftover sheetrock. perfectly symmetrical to what will be a fan. And then obviously you can see the two lights. What we're gonna do is I've got, do I have any up here? Yeah. I have a lot of this. A lot of this. And what is this, you ask? This is, it's parquet flooring. And we're gonna take this stuff and we're gonna do some sort of a little design. We don't know yet what exactly. Something. The perfect amount of room here. Just put that right like that. And we're gonna just glue it to the sheetrock. And then what you're gonna end up with is hopefully a very fabulous, I don't know, design for right there. I think it's gonna look pretty cool. You know us, we like these little details. We like these little nookie details, these things. Just like little marble here and there, right? I just think that is what gives a room character. And this room is gonna have a lot of it. Okay, well that's full right up to where we are as far as this room goes. I think this weekend I've really got to work hard and I just got to get this ceiling done, get the sheetrock secured and mudded, and then I can move on to the parquet thing, you know, finish out these. I'd like to get this room really buttoned up soon. It looks far from that, but it's really not. The bathroom obviously is going to take a while to finish, but the room in itself, as far as sheetrock, wood on the walls, wood on the, you know, we're not talking about a ton of time here, hopefully. Start sleeping here. And I'm also going to have an office here so I can work from home right there. But that's it. That's it for the video. Sorry it's kind of thrown together. I have been working on stuff for a while and just hard to put a video together like this, a whole bunch of little jobs. I hope you enjoyed it though. And we'll see you all next time we turn that camera on. Bye everybody.